Wanna know how to create and use enums in Java? Enums let you define a set of constants. Here, level has low, medium, and high. So in this video, under a minute, I'm going to show you how to use it and create it super simple and easy. So let's get right into it. Now, after we have defined enum right here, we have defined it as low, medium, high. So we store one of them in our variable 1. Then we use a switch to check which level it is. It's cleaner than using strings or numbers to avoid mistakes. This is simply perfect when your values are mixed, like difficulty levels or statuses. So right here you can see switch case as well, where it is used to use and print out enums. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.